Oh, hello, friend. I didn't see you there. Don't mind me. I was just looking at this tiny bottle of albumin. I suppose you're here to talk about amino acids. Lucky for you, I was just about to talk about that thing. So, amino acids are the monomer of proteins. They are the building block of proteins. And all amino acids have the same general shape. We have an amine group at the front, which is based in nitrogen. Right? We have a functional group in the middle, as denoted by the R that you see on the screen. And then at the tail end, we have a carboxyl, a COOH. Okay. Now, the front and the end part, the amine and the carboxyl, just serve as kind of like links in a train, right? They connect to one another. Right? So the amine group of one amino acid connects to the carboxyl group of the next amino acid, and they build on these long chains. And that's how we make the long protein strand. Right? And the interesting part of the amino acids is the functional group, the R group. Okay? So there are 20 different amino acids that living things use. They have 20 different functional groups. The functional groups all have different chemical properties. They might be polar, they might be acidic, they might be basic. Okay? And whatever chemical properties they have, okay, they lend to the overall function of the protein. So a lot of these amino acids within the protein are going to get folded up on themselves, right? And they'll connect to one another and they'll just build these bonds. Right? But some of these amino acids in the overall protein shape stick out, right? And they have their functional group sticking out into the world. And so if that functional group is acidic, the protein is going to have an area that is acidic. Right? If that functional group is polar, this protein is now going to have an area that is actively polar. And so the properties of these functional groups are what give the protein itself its chemical properties, its aspects, help it do what it does beyond just the shape of the protein. Yeah? So yeah, that's amino acids. Bye.